Hi guys, you're watching Teach Me Fashion. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to sew in an invisible zip. To make it super easy for you to follow, I've broken down the process into 5 simple steps. This is what you need to get started. So before I go any further, if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button to subscribe to our YouTube channel. And also hit us up on social media at teachmefashion_official. Let's get started.
Step 1, pinning in the zip. Okay, so grab your zip, making sure that the zip is facing down and the fabric is facing up. You need to pin from the top down, making sure that the teeth are sitting flush with the crease of the fabric. Make sure when you're pinning that the pins are facing parallel to the zip. This makes it a lot easier for you to remove the pins when you're sewing. Make sure that the pull of the zip is sitting underneath the opening of the seam. If your zip is longer than the allowed opening, that is okay, you can always cut your zip to size. Step 2, sewing in the first side. Place the zip under the foot of your machine, making sure that the needle is in the right position and the foot is right up against the teeth. I always find it easier to put the needle in the fabric first before you start sewing, just to secure the position. As you sew, remove the pins and roll back the teeth of the zip. You'll be able to feel this with your fingers. Make sure to back tack at the start and at the end to secure the zip in place. Step 3, checking the zip. Make sure that the zip is sitting nicely and that there's no creases in the fabric. Turn the fabric over and have a look at the seam, making sure that the thread tension is okay too. Step 4, pinning in the other side. Like the first side, you need to have the zip facing down and the fabric facing up. Line up the zip so that it is sitting nicely, ready for you to pin. Pin again parallel to the zip, making it easy for you to remove the pins as you're sewing. Step 5, sewing in the last side. Place the zip and the fabric underneath the machine foot, making sure that the machine foot is right up against the teeth of the zip. As you sew, make sure you're getting right up close to those teeth, making sure that you're pulling it back with your fingers. Back tack at the start and at the end and remove the pins as you go.
So that is how you put in an invisible zip. I hope the tutorial was super easy to follow. If you have any feedback, comment below, and also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay up to date for future tutorials. See you later.